what to expect when you're at an airport, specifically when you go through airport security. Hello again, fellow adventurers! Sometimes new adventures can feel a little big or unfamiliar. So I'm here to show you what happens along the way so you'll know what to expect. When you know what to expect, you can focus on the best part, the adventure. Security might sound a little serious, but don't worry. It's just how the airport keeps everyone safe while they travel. After you check in and drop off your big suitcase, you'll follow the signs to security check. You'll see people lining up with their carry-on bags and jackets. When it's your turn, you'll place your things in plastic bins. That includes your backpack, jacket, hat, and anything else in your pockets. The bins go through a special machine that looks inside your bag. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt your things, but it is pretty neat. Then it's your turn to walk through a big doorway-shaped scanner. The helper there will tell you when to go. Quick step through, boop, and that's it. Sometimes it might beep. That just means that they need to double-check something, like a metal zipper or a watch. You might see a helper wave a little wand that makes sure everything's okay. Once you're through, you'll grab your belongings on the other side. And guess what? That's it! You're ready to head to the gate where the airplanes are parked. Security can feel busy and new, I know. But when you know what to expect, it's no big deal. Every adventure has a few steps before you go. And the more you know, the more fun you'll have. Next up on our journey, what to expect at the gate as you wait to get on the airplane. I'll show you how that works. Until then, adventure awaits!